Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, May 25. Time is around 6:30 GMT and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Owanda platform. So yesterday I told you I was looking for this kind of move with divergence in RSI. It did not really happen. Instead, we dropped like a stone actually. So I also did not enter my long trade. I warned that there was a possibility that we could further drop, and that it was very important to see these kind of conditions: a move up and a new low with divergence. But that didn't work out. However, we are still in the support zone here, the resistance zone that has the potential to become a support zone, and there might be an opportunity to enter this long trade today, like this. But let's first have a look at the Elliott wave count. So yeah, this area is no longer relevant. I can also take out this one. So my take on the DAX lower time frame was that we did here a wave 1, then a wave 2 down, then here we had again 5 waves up. I gave you this area to go long. I also said this would be our target, and from here we could go down again, and this is what is happening now. So I interpreted this as a wave 3. Until yesterday, I thought we were doing a wave 4 down. But yeah, this starts to look very unlikely. However, if we do not break the low of wave 2, it is still possible that this is wave 4, although we retraced way deeper than the 0.5 FIP retracement. Sometimes it happens, but it is very unlikely. This retracement is way too deep for a wave 4. So how could it look now? So I also told you yesterday that there was a possibility that we finished our wave 5 here, so that our impulse up or structure is complete here, and that we then start to move down. So then this will be our wave 1, then we should make it 2, and then a 3 down. Because don't forget, if you watch my videos on the higher time frame, don't forget that I'm expecting a pullback in the higher time frame, and this might be the start of this pullback. That this is our high, and that we start to pull back in the higher time frame. Look, if we have a look at the daily here. So I'm expecting this kind of pullback. So this might be the start. That's possible. So if the high was in here, this is a complete 5 waves structure up, and then it would mean that we are doing like our first wave 1 down, then there should be a wave 2. And then yeah, we go further down in a 3, 4, 5 till we have again a complete structure in the higher time frame. So that's one possibility. This is a possibility or a scenario that I will only really consider as soon as we take out this this low here, this wave 4, then yeah, for me this would be a good indication that yeah, the pullback in the higher time frame has started. This did not happen yet, so I will not pay much attention to it today. I will have a closer look at this during my analysis in the weekend when I analyze the higher time frame. Now, it could also be that there is still more upside, like this could also be a valid Elliott wave count, that it becomes something like this, that this was here or 1, this or 2, and that we then look for more upside in a wave 3 and even a wave 5. That's also possible, because then we just have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a complete complete structure. So this is actually also a possibility. So for now, I just stick to my initial count like this, but I'm telling you, it is yeah, it is very unlikely that this will be our wave 4. It is possible, but it is very unlikely, and my expectation is that we will take out this low. But so as the conclusion of all this, that for today, actually only this wave here is relevant to analyze in the lower time frame. When we have more data in the higher time frame, we can put the correct Elliott wave count. But for your trading today, only this structure is relevant. Why? Like, even like this can still be an ABC as a wave 4 or as a wave 2, as a wave 2 indeed. So if this is or 1, this can be or 2, this can still be an ABC like this. However, this can also be an impulse, like a wave 1. Then it becomes something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we should look at today to go long is the end of this structure. And how will we know? First of all, we have to define a relevant area where we can turn to the upside. And so now we are in a potential support area, previous resistance area that now might be turned into support. Like, we broke the resistance, and this might be a retest. So we are still in a relevant zone. But in order to have an impulse down that is finished, we need our 5 waves, and we need RSI divergence. So if you count from here, 5 waves down would look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even if you count from here, so if it is an ABC, you can count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now for today, this wave, and especially this part here, is crucial. I told you yesterday that I was looking for something like this, and a new low with divergence. And this is actually what might happen today. With this data, my current interpretation is that this will look like a wave 4. We will make one more low, which will probably a low with RSI divergence. Like if we make a new low from here, it looks like there will be RSI divergence. Do I know this for sure? No, not yet. I have to wait for more data. But I believe there is a possibility that this will happen today. So what are the trades for today? I will enter along below this low, somewhere here. If I see some kind of a wave 4 here, I want this to look like a wave 4, so I should see like some kind of ABC structure, something like this, and then a new low with divergence. Also on the hourly, like I want to see a bit more upside, and then a new low with divergence. That's for me a sign that to go long, and yeah, this will probably somewhere here, I think. So that's one possibility. You could also short this wave 4 because this looks, for now, this looks incomplete. We need a wave 4 in order to have a wave 5. I cannot interpret this as a complete structure, a 5-wave structure down. So another possibility would be to look for your ABC and short the ABC, like with the data we have now. But this might change, and we are still pre-market, so like this could be your wave 4, and then your target becomes here, something like this. Then this is the target for your C wave, and this actually nicely coincides with the upper boundary of this resistance or support zone. So I believe this might be a good area to put a short. But again, yeah, then you we should end in this box with divergence, but you will almost have to look at the 5-minute time frame to see this. Probably it will also be visible on the 15-minute. So if you have an impulse up, but this has to be analyzed in the 5-minute time frame that ends in this box with divergence, might be an entry for a short here. And then the long the entry for a long position will probably be here, in case we have something that looks like a wave 4, and we end here with divergence. We need to have divergence. So compared, we cannot break here this low in divergence. But for now, it looks like if we make a new low, that we end somewhere here in our RSI, and then we have a divergence. So I believe these are two potential trades for today. Trades I am looking for. But yeah, there is also, I also have to warn you, I'm expecting a pullback in the higher time frame. I discussed this in my weekly video last weekend, and also the weekend before. So yeah, we might also see more downside, especially if we take out this low. Then I believe the pullback has started. So yeah, it will be a matter today of looking really for the good conditions to enter the trade, and yeah, as soon as there is some distance between your entry and the price, move your stop loss to have a risk-free trade, and see what happens. Okay, this is my plan for today. I hope you enjoyed the analysis, and see you again tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.